The day is done, and just like what we did this morning, we're going to take some time this evening to have a look at what actually happened, make our opinions up on that, and see what happened in some detail. We're going to be looking at the data, looking at the price, and then making our opinions up at the very end. Now, of course, this video is not financial advice, it's just my opinion, but if you do enjoy it, smash the like button and subscribe. We are trying to grow the channel and trying to get all of the good info out there, and here on this channel we do cover everything AMC related, from DD to analysis to my personal opinion. So yeah, it is a channel which you will enjoy if you are in or enjoy in general AMC. So now let's just get in, and what we're going to do is first we're going to have a look at the price action. So we're not going to do this in too much detail to start off with, but we are going to highlight what we're seeing. We're seeing a day in the green. This is a green day, bringing us up by about $1. That's equal to about 6.61%. And we're closing today on about $16, so clearly not too bad. A nice little push up, but not really too significant. And I think to understand why this is happening, we do have to look out to the wider market. Now for this, we have this little heat map, and it shows us the generalized market. So we're going to scroll down on it, and you'll see some of the big names that we know. Obviously, it goes from left to right, large cap to small cap, if we can go back to it. So yeah, you'll see your large cap stocks, your most popular stocks on the left side, followed by the lesser known, coming down to this area. So up at the very top, everything's looking green. Apple is up by 2, Microsoft up by 0.8, we're seeing Tesla up by a whopping 10. You get the picture, right? You can see on the heat map, very few are red. I would say the majority are green over here. And even the ones that are red, for the most part, they're not looking too bad. I mean, the biggest reds that we have are going to be ones like this and this, which is down by 3%, this one's down by 2.9, this one's down by 3, this one's down by 2.5, so you can see even on the red quarters, we're having like maximum drops of stocks of like 3% here, and on the other side we're having gains of 15%, 12% over here, 6%, so what I'm trying to say is the markets as a whole are doing pretty good, and even what is not doing too good is only down by a very, very small amount compared to what we would normally expect. And tying that back into AMC, this is why, unfortunately, I am not too excited about today's move. Because whilst it is a good day, what we're seeing today so far is volume being quite low. Again, volume with AMC is not something I'm too bothered about anymore, because if synthetics are out there, etc., this data can easily be manipulated, so I'm not too bothered about volume. But all I'm trying to say is when the price is going up, it's generally because markets are doing well. And even when the price is going up and when the markets are doing well, AMC tends to underperform the market. Now, obviously today, it's not doing too bad in comparison to the wider market, but this is going to be what I'm personally expecting now for the next day or two. I'm expecting maybe another day, maybe 2 more of green. I'm not sure how high it will take us, probably not too high, maybe up to 17, 18, and then I expect it to potentially start coming back down. Now again, I am a big fan of AMC. I am in AMC, and I think the MOAS is going to happen, but I think in the short to mid-term, we should prepare ourselves for that downtrend, as I have been continuously saying, because it is something which they can use as a psychological tactic. If the price is going up, they're going to tell us, oh well, this is our last run, and if the price is going down, they're going to tell us, well, this is our time to sell, because this one isn't going to do anything more. So I think on the mental front, that's what I'm preparing for, so I am expecting a little bit more of a run-up, but on the other hand, it already could start to drop. But yeah, I do not think this is a bottom in my opinion. I think they could send this one lower, and I do hope I'm wrong, but they are going to do everything that they can to try to scare people, and right now they can't do that based on a fundamental standpoint. All they have to do is play on our emotion, so I expect that emotional side of things to be utilised by the people who are bearish in AMC in the next few days, potentially in an attempt to get us to sell at where we are right now. But we do have a few other good things to look at. Now, this one's coming from Ortex guy. You know him. He is on Reddit. It's JD Ruckus who posted this. Massive shout out to him. Put it up 37 minutes ago. Ortex guy here with your update for today on the closing bell. So the short interest is trying to break past 21, and the loan shares are up a lot today. Current mood. Once this thing is going to start running, it's going to get crazy. And he's kindly left us the images. We are going to go onto them one by one, and we will start off actually with this one. So we'll have a quick breakdown of it, see what we have over here. Oh, and we need to just undo that. So yeah, we'll have a quick look at what we have, and we're going to start off on this generalized page. So So far today, the short interest is a decrease of 0.35, not too big, again, not really significant, because we're still seeing an estimated short interest of free float at 20.72, which is still quite high, and it is, very, very close to pushing past 21, which is another big number, but there we go. And we can see the estimated short interest as far as the shares are concerned has been 106.35 million. The return shares 1.4 million, the borrowed is going to be about 993k, it's a change of minus 400k, the cost to borrow minimum is only at 0.39%, the maximum is at 3.14, giving us an average of 1.7. That's what we have from our first sheet of data, so not really too significant of a day, small decrease but not notable. And coming over here to what we have in our second one, so the exchange reported short interest is a change of plus 2.41. The estimated short interest of free float is a change of plus 3.38. The percentage of the free float on loan is going to be a change of plus 4.57. The shares on loan, change of plus 4.59. Days to cover minus 0.49. The cost to borrow is going to be a increased change of 7.31, and the utilization is a change of 15%. So there you go, that's what we're seeing for those figures. So things are still looking good, right? We're seeing a very, very small change, but not really significant enough to warrant anything, in my opinion. And what else we do have to look at is going to be this. Now, this is coming from the user uTradia, who posted this. AMC is the #1 trending ticker on Twitter in the last 72 hours, with up to 7 million impressions. Now, from my experience on Twitter, this has been proven to be correct for a lot of days, right? I'm here in the UK, I know others are in other countries, notably the US, and, in the US you may expect this one to be trending, AMC now and again, but even here in Europe and the UK, we're actually seeing AMC trend pretty much daily, which is insane. Especially considering some of the issues that we have going on, both in the world, but also in our country right now. It is amazing to see at least one, sometimes two, sometimes three AMC hashtags trending on Twitter in the same day. It's absolutely insane, but it just shows the worldwide reach that AMC does have. It's really remarkable, and yeah, it is definitely going to be a very, very popular thing on Twitter right now. And if that doesn't tell you where we are as a community, I think it should. It shows us that people are clearly still interested in AMC. If this was a dead stock, would we have that many people participating in the messaging? I don't think we would. Again, what are your thoughts? Drop me a comment down below. I do want to hear everything that you have to say, so do feel free to drop me anything, again, down below in the comments. Do make sure to share the video if you can, and more stuff's going to be coming at you in a bit, so do join us for that as well. But thank you for now, I'll see you later on, goodbye. Thank you for watching through till the end, but let me tell you about our Discord. So on your screen you will be seeing the N2S Finance Discord. Obviously it is split into multiple sections. Basically at the top we have updates from me and all that kind of good stuff. If you scroll down a bit further we have the main sections where we focus on cryptos, SPACs and other hot stocks including penny stocks, even stable growth stocks as well, and we even have a special AMC GME chat. If you scroll down you can see some research and DD from the community. We also have funny memes and you can see actual contributions from members down here. And again, if you do join us, it is completely free, link is down below. But if you do want to become a Patreon, you will actually get a pink sticker which will be displayed on your name. So your name will come up in pink as mine comes up in red down here, and that will show that you are a Patreon. But other than that, guys, you can join completely for free down below. You do not have to pay anything if you do not want to. Thank you for watching, see you soon.